I don't even know a phone number to call because I have my cell, and I don't know anyone's phone numbers anymore. So like, I don't even.
We'll be there together.
I don't even know my wife's phone number, dude.
I do.
This is bad.
We can call Brenda. Her number is right there. They'll have it on the tape.
All right, cool. Please, 831-345-2794. Please, quickly, Brenda. Don't fuck around. We just say, look, there's some shit. She'll fix it. Done and done. Something? This phone does not work at all. I hope you do not have any sort of emergency, and I hope you have a cell phone on you, because I'm telling you right now, man, this is like a scary joke. There's a fucking weird thing on the wall over there that scares the shit out of me, and I'm not fucking with you.
It looks like somebody's head, like,
dude. It is like, I mean, is that Freddy Krueger on the other line of this? Because I'm not fucking with you, man. I'm not. That is some scary shit.